Hello everyone, welcome to an unboxing video for a Mexicrate box. This is the Pequeña box, which is a tiny box. They had like 4 box options on their website. I got the small option because it was the cheapest. And they also had a sale going on, so instead of $10, I got this for $5. Half off. But then I had to pay for shipping, so this was a $10 box. Originally, this would have been $15 for me if there was not a sale going on. $10 for this box. A small box, medium box, large box, and I think just a candy box. Oh, cheap option. I don't know if I'll be able to get this open. I broke my cutter. I haven't done a snack video in a long time. Oh, there's a lot in here. Oh. Some of these are spicy, I guess. Where do I even start? I got 2 of these little, just no names on these ones. They look like coconut candies for these with the Mexico flag dyed on. This looks like coconut. Did I get the candy box? This looks like a candy box. Some of these Jovy candies. Watermelon. No, watermelon. I like watermelon. Artificial flavor. Tamarind covered gummies with chili. Yeah. Watermelon balls. One of these. Caramel. It's the only thing I can translate. This entire thing is in Spanish. Sabor a Chamoy. It's like a little mango peach on it. Cream with vanilla and strawberries. It's just like a cream. How am I supposed to eat it? Looks like there might be a little spoon in there. Got 2 of these spoon candies. Nothing on it. No words, no nothing. So I guess these are chili spoons. Oh. And, ooh, marzipan. I like marzipan stuff. I love these marzipan things from Mexico. I haven't had one of these in forever. Oh, lollipop with salt and lemon powder. Did it break? No. A lot of lemon powder. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Made in Mexico. Number 1 ingredient is sugar. It's gonna be sour. I don't really do good with super sour stuff, so that one's probably gonna suck. Is this gum peppermint flavored chewing gum? Little 4-pack of chewing gum. It's the only one. Oh, got more. Got another. I got 3. I got 3 packs of gum. Lollipop. It's Payeta de leche. Chocolate lollipop thing. And a couple of these. Original Montes. Yeah, don't know what these are. I got another one, coconut things. We got Skwinkles. That's the funniest name ever, Skwinkles. Lucas Skwinkles. Salsagheti, oh my goodness. There's flames. And there's a duck. Watermelon spicy spaghetti ducks. Pelon mini. Naturally and artificially flavored tamarind. There's that. Push pop. Push pop thingy. And, oh, another one of those chocolate lollipops. Got one of these. No words on the packaging. Just lollipop. And another one of these. Another chili spoon. And there's the last two things. Bubbaloo, Piña Chamoy. Or just Sabor Pina Chamoy. Bubbaloo. Got some pineapple bubblegum. June 20th. I see June 23rd and then November 18th. So I got two of these. Gracias. Oh, the little llamas. That's a lot of candy. So, that's a lot. I feel like I got candy box. There's a candy box option, but I did not get that. But it's mostly candy. And then like a couple other little snackies. But that's the Mexicrate tiny box. Or Pequeña. Cheapest option. Oh my goodness. These are probably my favorite things I've ever had. Because I've had these before. Should I try anything? Should I do a taste test video? Not really sure. But I don't know. Like this video if you guys want me to do a taste test of anything. Oh wait, where's it's past June. I don't know when this video is gonna go on, so I might have already filmed the taste test video. I wanna die. I wanna die on camera with all the spicy stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe to all the things, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, my chicken nuggets.